the path from Churchill Road. The morning wind blew damp and cold. With satchel heavy on my back, I walked along the pavement track. The Yarmouth sky was gray and wide. The river flowed with quiet tide, past terraces of red brick stone. I made my steady way alone through 1968 chill air, with winter coats and days to share. I turned the bend and saw the gate, and didn't want to end up late. The bell rang out at 9:10 to say that we were just in time. The hospital school stood red and high against the gloomy coastal sky. A place of books, a place of care, to greet the morning waiting there.